is a great place for riding a motorbike. Hopefully get to do some bigger trips this year. That was my celebration from graduating dental school, actually. Got out of school and got my bike license and got a Harley, like right away. You come into town and hit that hill and it's just a valley full of the town and mountains and hills. We live in a pretty amazing place. Hometown Dental was my way to come home and provide services to the community I grew up in. We're focused on all areas of dentistry. We work on every age of patient, and we like to be super involved in the community. That's what we're all about. Dentistry, I applied and got in at UBC, and then I decided to go the military route. They helped pay for my education, and then I committed 4 years after school to them. It was a great experience. We had specialists right down the hall, so I got a lot of hands-on education after school there, and really helped mold me as a dentist and work on my confidence. Coming up to the end of my contract, I was supposed to move to Quebec, and I said, no, I'm an Alberta girl, I need to stay at home. For me, the more I give back, the more successful I feel like I am. And there's just so many people that I know that I have the opportunity to be able to help fund their sports team or help them raffle some things off just so they get some extra money. It does make a difference in those small organizations. We get a lot of parents that are like, oh, thanks, you got our kids some workout gear for their hockey team, or thanks, I won your prize at a hockey tournament and the whitening kid is awesome. Like those kind of things. So I really care about how we are perceived by the community. I want to have that great reputation that yes, we're awesome dental clinic, but we're also a great supporter of everybody, and we're very involved in Okotoks and surrounding areas. A dentist is only as good as their team, and I have some of the best people in the industry, in my opinion. Two that are in particular have been with me since we opened the doors. So one of my hygienists and my office manager. So that was always my goal, is to have a team that would stick around for the long haul. We like to have that continuity, and I think patients like that too. They really enjoy that they see the same hygienist when they come. They get to know the assistants' names. So we'd like to keep it that way even as we grow. So we really are picky with sourcing out our teammates and make sure that we keep the atmosphere as happy and joyful as possible. 1, 2, 3. When someone leaves Hometown Dental after a visit, I really hope that they would tell their friends and family that their experience was great, relatively pain-free, that they were treated how they wanted to be treated, like part of the family almost, and that they got the treatment that they thought they needed and not something that they didn't want. So that's big on when I do the exams as a new patient. I want to listen to what their concerns are, because I can tell you what you need as well, but we want to work together so that we come up with a treatment plan that both of us are comfortable with.